I should like to tell you that I have been working on the experiments shown in this film in the Nebular Mitosis Laboratory in the Department of Planetary Futures here at The Ohio State University. Realizing the urgent need for a Planet B, our research is generously supported through the Institute of World Forming, the leading international planetary research agency.
What if humans could harness the wisdom, science, and magic of plants to form new planets? That is the question we are working to answer here in the laboratory. In our hybrid program, ACSE, for Allium Cepa Stella Erratica, or Onion Planet, our goal is to contribute to understanding how to continue life as humans know it by ensuring there is a Planet B. We are grateful to the scientists who work to invent and improve the new technologies we utilize. We strive to use ingenuity and creativity in developing innovative approaches when interacting with materials. The methods you are about to see aim to understand the process of common onion propagation to form a new planet. This is done through a series of experiments which analogize biological and astronomical processes such as mitosis and the nebular hypothesis. In a tiny sample of an onion root tip, several stages of cell division can be seen all at once. This rapid growth makes Allium Cepa an ideal planetary candidate. We are confident that Allium Cepa will bring the genetic information that makes its perfectly spherical shape and rapid growth with it as its scale increases greatly over time and it begins to orbit the solar system. Our laboratory has 4 main growth chambers, each engineered to uniquely support the appropriate phases of biological planet formation, which are rooting, bulbing, bolting, and fusion. As you can imagine, technique is everything. Growth Chamber 1 is a hydroponic incubator for pearl onions and supports both rooting and bolting onions before they are entered into the fusion process. Growth Chamber 2 supports full-size Allium Cepa during their rooting stage. They are removed from the incubator to receive root cleanses and water replenishment. Growth Chamber 3 supports Allium Cepa once they have reached the bolting stage, which begins when the green leaves or bolts of the onion begin protruding out of the sphere. Both plants and planets rely on the sun. In order to achieve the appropriate spectrum of light, special artificial conditions must be created. Grow lamps are utilized to simulate the sun and encourage optimal bolting. Through the accumulation fusion technique, many onions may be combined in protoplanet formation, as seen here in Growth Chamber 4, where nucleation occurs. This protoplanet is currently being weaned from the Earth's atmosphere to prepare it for its propulsion into outer space. The process of fusion is one of the most extensive processes in the laboratory. Scientists have learned that planets are formed from a solar nebula, residual dust and gas left from the sun's formation. The accumulation or clumping of material over time is crucial. Specific minerals are intertwined in the roots and bolts to simulate a dense center for planet formation to begin. We are currently investigating the optimal time to begin the accumulation and fusion processes. Failed formation attempts are preserved for documentation and educational purposes. One form of quality control in our laboratory practice is to section and print representative Allium Cepa. Analytic heat prints show us the development of the interior of each onion analyzed. The prints guide us in understanding the optimal timing for accumulation and fusion. They also give us information about the onions that fail to produce roots and bolts. You may still be asking, why onions? The obvious connection is the impeccable shape, which indicates that an onion is the perfect seed for a planet. The spherical nature is embedded in the onion's genetic code. If this perfectly round sphere has the capacity to create such astounding roots and tips so rapidly, It may also hold the key to unlocking the ability for humans to propagate the much anticipated Planet P.